This problem wants us to find the explicit formula, and they give us a sequence, -4, -20, -100, -500. So first thing I usually check and see is, are they adding the same number every time? So what would I have to add to -4 to get to -20? I would have to add -16. So check and see if that's something that's common between those terms. So if I take -20 and I add -16, that's going to give me -36, which is not 100. Therefore, I can say they're not adding the same number every time because that doesn't seem to work between the second term and the third term. So the next kind of pattern I want to check is multiplying. Are they multiplying by the same number every time? So how do I get from -4 to -20? I would multiply by 5. So I want to check and see, does that work? If I multiply -20 by 5, do I get 100? And I do. Same thing here between -100 and -500. If I multiply -100 by 5, I get -500. So that is the pattern. Now, the number that we are multiplying by to get the next number, that's R, the common ratio, and that indicates that we have a geometric sequence since it's multiplying. So I want to use the format for geometric sequence, and that's AN equals A1, which stands for our first term, times R, that's our common ratio, that's the number that we're multiplying by, raised to the n minus 1. So an explicit formula for this specific pattern is going to be AN equals -4 times 5 to the n minus 1. So that indicates that our answer is B.